You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video I'll show you how to allow people to save your videos on TikTok. Let's get started right away. First, open the TikTok app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three-line menu in the top right to access more options. From there, go to Settings and Privacy. Tap on Privacy to open up the privacy controls for your account. Scroll down until you see the Downloads section and tap on it. Inside, you'll see an option labeled Video Downloads. Toggle this switch on to allow viewers to save your public videos directly to their devices. Once enabled, anyone who views your public videos will be able to download them using the Save button. If at any point you decide you don't want people downloading your content, you can come back to the same place and turn the setting off. It's a simple way to give your audience more flexibility while keeping control over your content. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and clear TikTok tutorials. See you later,